everyone. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm here for giving you a presentation. You know, I'm a very famous man in the US, so I think you guys could feel very honored because I'm here. Yeah. So what's the topic about my presentation? I want to say, do you know what's the important factor during your presentation? Yeah. About this topic, do you have some question about me? Okay, see that. Uh-huh. Yeah, great. Great question. Yeah, yeah. And then, right. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. The time is coming. It will be in. So see you guys. I'm coming again. I'm sorry for the crazy though. When you say that, I think you might think, oh, Simon is crazy. Really? He's mad. Oh, no. I guarantee I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay. I just want to use this to bring out my topic. What is the true important factor during our presentation? Yes, I think, in my view, as a good speaker, the first thing for us is to show our respect to our audience. I think if you don't respect your audience, they will feel you ignore them, and as a result, they will ignore you. So, how can we express our respect to our audience? I think the most effective way is to use our eye contact. Eye contact is a very effective way for us to transmit our emotion to our audience. At the same time, I think it's a very effective way for us to get the feedback from our audience. It can help us to eliminate the gap between our and the audience. Yes, I think it's a very effective way to help us to improve our presentation skills and help us to complete a successful presentation. Yes, I think we could practice and practice. Thank you.